ZENA stock analysis price predictions for Thursday. Is ZenaTech stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. By the way, having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's certainly not. Especially with ZenaTech, the price came down, hit my break even, which again puts me into -1R at this point. Last two trades on Zena have been a break even and a loss. It's over, you know what I mean? It's over. Nah, I'm kidding, but like, it's part of the game. Yeah, but before that I got like 3 wins in a row. And it's when it really was juicy, right? When it was really juicy, I started buying this. And here's the proof if you think that I'm lying to you. It was $2.23 when I made that video. And then if you freaking reach like almost $7, right? So how things are currently looking like is that I would only really look to be bullish if I see breaks above $5. And whatever happens in the meantime, so be it. I'll just follow ranges and keep an eye on Zena. If you have any questions, obviously comments are not off limits to you. And if you, by the way, want to learn the sauce, you know, want to get free money making emails and insights and just overall free sauce, click the first link in the description. It's free.